Hello, good morning friends. Today I'll explain about the nervous system, and one of the most important topic of the nervous system is human brain. So particularly if we discuss about the nerves in our body, there are three types of nerves and they are sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. First we'll start about the sensory nerves. What do we mean by sensory nerves? They are called input device of our body. It means whatever nerve they are sending the impulses, the sensation from the sense organs to the brain. I repeat, sensory nerves send senses, impulses from our sensory organs to the brain. They are called sensory nerves. So the function of sensory nerves is to send the messages from the sense organs to the brain. Second, motor nerves. Whatever the senses sent by the sensory nerves to the brain will interpret it. Brain will do the function over these senses, and the reply of the brain is sent to the body parts. It is called motor nerves. So motor nerves means the nerves that bring reply of the brain to the sense organs. In other words, whatever brain will answer to the nerve to send the message to the body parts, they are called motor nerves. So function of motor nerves is to bring the reply of the brain to the body parts. And third one is mixed nerves. The name itself informs about it. Mixed nerves means the nerves that can do both the functions. Whatever function the sensory nerves do, whatever functions the motor nerves do, both these functions can be done by the same nerve. It is called mixed nerves. Generally, mixed nerves are arised from the spinal cord. All the nerves arise from the spinal cord are called mixed nerves. Like this. This is the spinal cord, and all these nerves, yesterday we had learned, all these nerves arise from the spinal cord are mixed nerves. Means they do both the functions. The messages from the brain will send to the organs, and whatever organ will feel stimulation, senses will be sent to the brain. So both the functions are done by this mixed nerves. So it is about the nervous system. Now if we discuss about the total nervous system, there are three types of nervous system. They are central nervous system, CNS, then peripheral nervous system and autonomous nervous system. One by one, step by step, we will learn about all these systems. So first I'll explain about CNS, central nervous system. So what do we mean by central nervous system? Mind well beta, all the students must learn, must read this lesson after completion of this video, because whatever I explain, all the words, all the informations must be remembered point to point, and all the things must be asked in the exam. So you must not learn about the examination point of view, but for your further study also, it is the most important explanation for the biology students. So listen carefully. Central nervous system. Central nervous system is consists of two types of organs. They are brain and spinal cord. So brain and spinal cord are the components of central nervous system. They govern entire body, entire nervous systems. All types of nervous systems means central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomous nervous system. All these nervous systems are governed by the brain only. So brain is the most important part of nervous system. Now we'll discuss about brain first, and then we'll discuss about spinal cord. So listen carefully. It is not compulsory that all these informations will be included in the textbook. Yes, you can refer the reference books, R.D. Sharma, S. Chand, R.D. Sharma is for the maths, but S. Chand, Pradeep, such books are available in the market. So you must refer any kind of reference book for biology. So listen carefully. Discuss about brain. Human brain, it is protected into the skull. It is like walnut. Walnut is compared with the skull outer layer, and inside the walnut, whatever material, whatever fleshy material we eat, it is a brain. So human brain is protected into the skull. Approximately the weight of human brain is 1350 gram, 3 pound, and it is differ for different people, but average weight of the human brain is 1350 gram. So human brain is a complex system. It is made up of different kinds of nerves, and human brain is also made up of different kinds of tissues, different kinds of materials, and it has different parts. If we discuss about the parts of the human brain, it has 3 parts. They are forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. What are they? Forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. So they are different parts of the brain. So if we discuss about the brain, I have drawn the figure. You can check and you can see the figure. This figure must be remembered by you in a systematic way. I have shown it is a person. This is brain, and this brain is enlarged, and we can see like this. You see in this picture, this brain is also given in the textbook. You can see for a while, read the names. I hope that you have seen the structure of brain. I will explain this one by one, all the topics of all the parts of the brain. Now, brain is made up of cranial nerves. Brain is made up of cranial nerves. There are three parts of the human brain, and they are forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. If we discuss about forebrain, so maximum part of the brain is covered by the forebrain. The biggest portion of brain is called forebrain, and this middle portion is called midbrain, and last portion is called hindbrain. Last portion is called hindbrain. So these 3 parts, step by step, I will explain in this video, and you must listen carefully and try to remember each and every word from this explanation. So I start about forebrain. Forebrain is made up of 2 types of material. They are cerebrum and hypothalamus. They are cerebrum and hypothalamus. Cerebrum covers maximum space of the brain, and they have different kinds of lobes. Lobe means it is called a zigzag structure. If we observe the walnut, in walnut whatever fleshy material we can see, they are compared with the cerebrum. So the outer part of this brain, forebrain, is grayish material, and inner part is called white material. So brain has outer part made up of grayish material, and inner part is made up of white material. Now in this cerebrum, there are different points to remember, to see, to smell. All these points are included in this cerebrum. And if we discuss about the material between the layers of the cerebrum, there is a liquid fluid is situated, and this fluid is called cerebrospinal fluid. This cerebrospinal fluid protect our brain from the mechanical jerk. Sometimes we run, we jump, we fall down. All these activities may damage our brain. Sometimes we have listened that some person fall down and brain hemorrhage has been done. So this protection from jerk is given by this cerebrospinal fluid. इसके बाद मैं अगले वीडियो में आगे की बात समझा रहा हूँ बेटा. टिल देन कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लर्निंग एंड प्रैक्टिसिंग बेटा.